Welcome to Toolverse AI, where we share practical AI tools and tech shortcuts. Open Google, type Mermaid flowchart. We got the website. After clicking that, we need a Mermaid code. So go to the ChatGPT. Just write the prompt, whatever you wanted. That I wanted the shiny page flowchart. So I just write it that, and I have mentioned last in that I wanted to get Mermaid code, so I can get flow chart diagram. After the clicking that, ChatGPT generated that particular code, whatever I wanted. Just copy that code from the ChatGPT. Here is a particular flow chart, but I want it from the Mermaid, so just I am copying that particular code and just redirect it to that particular Mermaid application and paste it. We got the final flow chart within a second. No need to draw manually, right? This is a professional. We save the time also. This is the final result for professionalism. This is extremely useful in interviews, system design and backend concepts. You are explaining complex system visually in a second. If you are still drawing diagrams manually, you were already behind. Comment what system you want to next, login, payment or API flow. I will create it using AI. Subscribe to Toolverse AI for practical tech shortcuts.